Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by logging into Hostinger and navigating straight to domains, then DNS Zone Editor. You do this now because DNS changes depend on the active zone file. Make sure you select the correct domain. Once there, export or copy existing records as a backup so you can revert if needed. You should also note TTL values and any custom records. These details matter for propagation. Now that the zone is open and backed up, you're ready to add or edit records. Once the zone editor is ready, add or edit records by choosing the correct type, CNAME, MX, TXT, or SRV, and filling host, value, and TTL. You should enter the host exactly as required. USAT for root, www for the subdomain. Make sure MX priorities are numeric and lower numbers mean higher priority. For TXT validation, paste exact tokens. After each change, save and double-check that there are no duplicate conflicting entries, because conflicts cause resolution errors. You finish by saving your edits and then verifying propagation. Remember, TTL controls how fast changes spread, so expect delays from 300 to 3,600 seconds or longer. Use dig or ENSLOOKUP to query specific record types, or Hostinger's checker to confirm the new values from multiple name servers. If the site or mail still fails, clear your local DNS cache, re-examine host names and values for typos, and if necessary, restore the backup you made earlier. That rollback often fixes misconfiguration quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.